So when you're starting off with your business and you've come up with your idea, the first thing that you have to do before you invest so much money and time is to validate your idea. So you have to make sure that somebody is going to be interested in what you want to sell. So validating your business idea is one of the things that you have to really, really do for your business before you go any further, before you invest so much money in your business. Because without that, if you were to skip that step, you're gonna find yourself wasting so much money on a product that no one is interested in, no one's gonna buy, and then you get frustrated, and then you end up with like, oh my gosh, this whole e-commerce business does not work and nothing works, because you have skipped that step, that very crucial step of validating your idea. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the steps to take to validate your idea so that you don't waste time and money, and be able to know whether your idea is something that is going to be something that brings you money in the end, because that's what you want to do with your business, right? You want to make money, so we need to validate that at the beginning and save you that headaches down the line. And by doing this, it also saves you from spending so much money on inventory of products that you're gonna not sell in the end. So we want to save your time and money by validating your idea first before going fully in with your business. One way to validate your idea is to type in your product that you want to sell on places like Google Trend, right? So let's say you want to sell a tennis ball. So you can type it into Google Trend, and tells you how trending this product that you want to sell is. Is there any demand for that product? So it shows you on there. So if it's an uptrend, it shows that the demand is getting up there. And then if it's declining, that means no one is interested in that product anymore, right? So this will save you so much headaches down the line, because you're going to be choosing those products that are in demand, and Google Trend will help you to show what products are in demand that you're planning to sell. So you just type it in and it will tell you what is in demand. So another tool that you can use to validate your ideas, to use keyword research tools. So when you put in the keyword, your product that you want to sell, and type it in, it's going to show you the search demand of that product. So let's say, again, going back to the tennis ball, it'll show you how many people are really typing in and trying to search about tennis ball. What is the demand on this product that you want to sell? And that will save you so much money, because it's going to tell you if anyone is interested in that product, and to tell you the volume of that search of that product. So the higher the volume of search on that keyword that you input, the more demand of that product, and that will help you to validate, to say, hey, this product that I want to sell, there is a demand in the market, people are looking for it, they're searching, they're typing about this product, and it will give you some little confidence in the product that you've chosen, to say, hey, there are people who are typing and looking for it, so they might also become customers down the end if they're really interested in your product. Another keyword tool that you can use is Uber Suggest, which is almost the same as the keyword research tool. And you type in your keyword or the product that you want to sell there, and also it shows you the demand. What is the search demand on that keyword that you input? And that will help you to validate, to say, hey, there are people who are searching for this product that I want to sell. And that helps you with validating your idea. So the point of going through this whole exercise of validating your idea is to make sure that there is a demand for the product or services that you want to sell, and it will give you an indication of who is that person who is interested in your product, and what is the market size out there for the product that you want to sell. So to take it even further with your validating your idea is to do a research on your competitors. So you have to do a bit of research to see who is already selling the product or service that you want to sell. How are they positioning that product in the market? And what are people saying about that product that they're selling? Are they happy about it? Read the reviews and see what are people saying about that product that you want to sell, or something similar to what you want to sell, right? Are they happy? What are they not happy about? And what can you then use to come back into the market and to position yourself differently, so that you can stand out from your competitors and be able to get people to buy your products? So if there's something they're not happy about, can you do something to bring that product back and save or correct whatever it's not working that they complained about, and you then becoming the one like, oh, I have the solution, which is really going to be something that you're going to answer those things that they were not happy about, right? So do that research on your competitors, so that you learn more about what they're doing and how you can do it better, and be able to stand out when you bring out your product. So the next step in validating your idea is to start small. Buy a small inventory of the products that you want to sell to start off with. So by starting with a small inventory, you're testing the market to see who's going to be interested in your product. So you're putting a minimum risk by investing in a small amount. And the true validation of your product is going to come when someone actually buys your product. So if people are buying it, that means people like the product that you're coming out with, right? So you're testing it with a small quantity, making sure that you're not spending so much money. So that means you're not risking too much, right? By starting small, and then when people are buying it, it shows that they're interested in your products. And then you can actually start studying the customers who are buying, like what are they like, right? Studying their demography, their location, and all this stuff, right? Which is going to help you further down the line with your marketing when you now have a bigger size inventory. So that's a very powerful way of starting small, because you don't want to start big, because when you start big and if it doesn't help, this is when you get stuck with a big inventory of all this stuff that's not selling, and then you'll be like crying and complaining about how everything doesn't work and all this frustration, right? Because you're wasting money on that. So start with a small inventory. That's a small risk you should be willing to take. That's gonna save you so much money down the line. So with this small inventory that you have testing, right? So the main purpose is just to see who's going to be interested in studying the market and know who's going to be your ideal client for that product, right? So we're not aiming on profit for this first round of a small inventory. We just want to test the market to see who is interested in our product, to validate it, to say, hey, is this a great idea that we're coming up with? Is anyone even interested? Is anyone even interested to part with their money to buy this product? And then after that, that's when we go back, get more inventory, and now focus on improving our profits. This is the first round, is just to test it, to see, to validate our idea, to see if it's something that we can take further and make more money from it. So don't just jump in and sell a product without validating your idea to see if it's valid, and start small, that we are not risking too much of your own money. And then after that, you can build on that. You can go back, buy more inventory, and now start selling. And because now you've already started studying your market and studying your ideal clients, so you've got a bit of idea who they are and what are they looking for. Now you'll be able to improve in your marketing and then build from that. And then just rinse and repeat the whole process with every new product that you're going to be introducing into your business. So I truly believe if you follow this whole, it will save you so much from a lot of headaches. It will save you so much from losing so much money, and it will give you the head start that you need in your business on the right foot, and save you some coins. So I hope this has been useful. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.